I start chopping my ginger, garlic, shallots. Put a bit of oil in the pan, stir fry those. Add the oysters into that. Add in the white wine, add in the fish stock, and I let it to simmer lightly at the side. As I'm cooking the salmon and cod timbale, the next item I move on to is the scallop sausage. I have the scallops, cream and egg white. I have to blend it in the food processor to a fine mousse. I pipe out 2 sausages. I look down and they look a little shorter than what I saw, but I decided to leave it because as long as there's a sausage and it tastes good, size doesn't matter. Yeah, it looks okay.
Jasbir. Oh,
beautiful.
Look at that. Look at her 2 little fingers.
Oh, beautiful. I must
fish?
say I'm impressed.
Thank you very much.
Really, really good. And you told me you don't do, this is the first time you cook this dish. That is amazing.
Thank you.
Wow, it makes it very exciting for you to see her cook like that.
Absolutely.
She's walked out of the Indian kitchen and she's gone into the French kitchen.
Yes.
And I think she quite likes the French kitchen.
I might stay in the French kitchen. I have a piece of salmon and a piece of cod. So I'm measuring the fish according to the mold. I slice through and then I trim it to the right height. I think I can start plating now. So I try to follow the exact plating of what we had. As I carry my dish up to the judges, it's really intimidating because it's really out of my comfort zone. You put the plate in front of them and then you go, oh my God, did I do it right?
First pressure test. How did you find it?
Interesting because I've never cooked in this style before. I might change my style of cooking.
So happy looking at a dish like that makes you want to eat it.
Thank you.
I think it looks really, really, really good.
Right, thank you. We're going to taste now.
Thank you.
There you go.
Beautiful.
The sauce is just wow.
I thought the fish was a little bit undercooked. Other than that, it was very nice.
You know, Jasbir really surprised me today. She really raised another level. The scallop sausage, really kind of nice, fragrant. Umami really come through.